In today's video, we are going to show you how to trade on Axiom using your mobile phone. Whether you're using Android or iPhone, you can monitor the market, buy tokens, sell positions, and manage your portfolio without needing a desktop. If you haven't created your Axiom account yet, be sure to watch our separate tutorial first. We also have guides on creating an Axiom Pro account, importing your Phantom wallet, and depositing Salt into your wallet, so check those out before continuing. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is launch the Axiom on your mobile app. If you can't find and install the mobile app on your device, that means your country is restricted and it's not available. On the other hand, it's okay. Just go to the Axiom.trade website and log in using your credentials. Wait a few seconds for the latest market data to load before placing any trades. Of course, you need to tap the Discover, Markets, or Trending section depending on the version of your app. Okay, so let's say we're going to go to the trending tokens. Let's check if we can have a token that we wanted. For example, I am looking into the Billy, so I can easily trade it. So always double check that you are selecting the correct token before buying. And remember, before purchasing, you will see the information like live price, price chart, market cap, liquidity, trading volume, and the buy and sell activity. Spend a few moments reviewing the chart and overall market activity instead of rushing into a trade. Now enter the amount that you wanted. For example, let's say 1 for now. Please keep in mind that your wallet will process the transaction, and once confirmed on the blockchain, the token will appear in your portfolio. Axiom is designed for fast, low latency trading, make it popular among active Solana traders. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you trade on Axiom using your mobile device. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.